pa agad. Why I stopped uploading videos are my happy place.
Hola guys, it's Chelsea, and today's video is going to be a super chill day. I actually uploaded a video just recently, pero wala, gusto ko lang mag-vlog ulit ngayon kasi parang na-weirdan ako. In 2 months ata, twice lang ako nag-upload, tapos biglang mag-upload lang ako. Di man lang ako nangamusta or parang nakipag-chat saglit dun sa vlog na yun. So today I'm gonna do just that. I actually attempted to vlog yesterday, but it's more of a rest day for me kasi the past few days, parang yung nagiging routine ko is pagkagising ko, i-chat ko agad si Gads. Gads is my boyfriend / business partner. Ayun, parang pagkagising ko, chat ako agad. Sabi ko, sige, ano oras tayo kikilos. We're working on a few more parang last minute touches for the first collection ng Hola. So, we've been pretty busy the past... Ayun, medyo matagal na kaming busy. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys were able to tell the difference with the title kasi usually when I upload vlogs like this, it says vlog tapos an overview of what's inside the vlog. But this time, papalitan ko siya. Hindi ko pa sure kung Homebody vlogs, Homebody diaries, Homebody katawan, hindi Homebody Facebook group. Pero, ayun, this is just my way of siguro warning you guys that there's nothing fancy that's gonna happen inside this vlog. Parang yung mga makikita nyong areas, dito lang siya sa kwarto ko. Yeah, welcome to Homebody vlogs or Homebody diaries, and yeah, this is basically my reality, but we're gonna make this fun. Ang laki ng eye bags ko. Pawis na rin ako agad. Anyway, I just wanna share that I got new glasses. Tumaas yung grado ko. Puro ako laptop, puro ako cellphone. And ayun, nung mga nakaraan kasi parang inspired ako. And kapag ganun kasi, sinusulit ko. So, lagi akong nasa laptop. So, here's what my glasses look like on my face.
또 선반을 제작해서
Cute! By the way guys, this is a King Z. Made me buy it. Super nice. Ang ganda ng quality nito. Introduce.
This is a vintage Seiko clock. I just checked the batteries. It hasn't rusted yet.
So, put na kami ng Japanese surplus today. Kasi Sunday. And sarado pala sila.
About old clocks like this, excellent quality. Just look at the masterpiece.
Uy! Bizarre! I'm also gonna try this. Parang sarap nito. First, I have to get my 30-year wraps. Ito yung brand na meron. Kaya na to guys, lagi niyo i-check yung expiration date niya. Kasi yung ibang nabili ko before, ang bilis pa ng expiration dates. Isang 30 yan na in-order ko. Super sayang. Lahat ng 30 yan nila mag-expired na in 4 days. For what yung mushrooms, Gads? Ano ba yung pasta natin?
Parang alio-alio lang.
Matawa ko, puro crock sila. Yeah, here's the contents of the box. Super nice ng quality nito. And it's 900 pesos for this whole set. So you get 2 of each kind. Here kami ni Goods dito. So iuwi ni Goods yung half. I got this clear bowl. I got something like this from the Japanese surplus before, pero nabasag ko siya. Nabili ko yung ganito ko sa Japanese surplus for 35 pesos. Anyway, this one I got from the department store. Super tangkad. Kakagamit ko lang sa kanya, kaya medyo basa siya. Dito ako umiinom ng coffee. Then I also got this plate, which is super duper beautiful. Yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is the shape. Hindi siya parang circle, perfect circle. This one matches the mug that I have already. That's it for my home haul. Japanese surplus stores and department stores are my happy place. Parang for some reason, every time na tumitingin-tingin ako ng mga baso or mugs, mahilig ako sa mugs, wala, parang na-inspire ako. Lakas.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way,
your hands are so small.
Maybe you should stay instead of turning around.
Who is this fish, Taylor?
No, keep on going. I know.
Look at the TV for what? CNN Philippines.
What?
So what shape is this?
What's the yellow one? Rectangle.
Oval.
Louder.
Hexagon. Triangle.
And I'm going nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.
Louder, say it. Caleb, please.
The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head.
Hello guys, so it has been a few days later. I wasn't able to vlog the past few days kasi meron akong mga inasikaso. Nakatatlong balik ako sa Comelec and si Caleb kasi nagbabakasyon siya ngayon dito. So, minsan lang kasi kami magkita. Yeah, the past few days have been super productive na ang dami kong bagay na na-cross out sa list ko. So, ayun, isa na doon yung sa Hola na collection kasi tapos na matahi yung labels niya. So, yung last step na lang is to take photos. So, by next week, ayun na yung aasikaso. Ayun, hindi ko rin na-feel mag-vlog kasi parang ang bloated ng mukha ko. Feel ko nga parang, actually, alam kong nagigain ako ng weight. Nafe-feel ko siya. And tingin ko dahilan nun is kain ako ng kain. Napapagod yung isip ko. Hindi ko alam kung matatawag ko ba siyang stress eating. Hindi naman ako nasa-stress sa mga pinagtatrabahuhan ko ngayon. Excited pa nga ako. Pero parang yung isip ko, napapagod siya. Tapos parang kain ako ng kain. Parang yun yung nagiging coping mechanism ko. I was gonna add some lip tint para ay kulay. By the way, I shared it on my Instagram na I just started Notion. Yan, ito lang yung itsura ng Notion ko. Wait, pakita ko sa'yo. Ito yung cover photo ko. Ito talaga yung mga go-to ko. Skies and yung may leaf or plants. Then yung name naman ng page ko is Chelsea's the Day. Feel ko nga medyo cheesy tong Notion ko. Pero over here, it says, for my future self. Kasi yung mga deadlines ko na to, yung mga tasks, ayan, something to look forward to para siya sa future ko. Char! So, ayun. Yan pala yung laman, no? You guys can see yung mga dates ko pa dito, September 6. So, ang tagal ko na tong hindi nagagalaw. Sobrang hindi ko alam yung ilalagay. Merong New York dito. Pero, ito yung mga feel ko ilalagay ko. Task list, goals, weekly agenda, tapos yung plan schedule. So far, yun pa lang. Di pa talaga tapos. But once I'm done, I'm gonna share with you guys my template. And, yeah. Wala lang, share ko lang. Okay, it's getting pretty gloomy, so I turned on my ring light dun sa kabilang side. Hindi ko na alam kung ano bang pwede ko maipakita sa inyo. Sa totoo lang, nahihirapan ako mag-vlog kasi yung mga interesting things na pwede kong i-vlog, reserve siya for a different video. So, for example, yung room tour ko. Kaya nandito lang tayo sa side na to kasi ayokong lumibot kasi malapit na yung room tour. Lakas, no? Kala mo napakaganda ng kwarto. Tapos yung pinaka kinaabalahan ko ngayon, which is the first release nga for Oaklavi. Vlog ko yun, pero hindi ko siya mapakita sa mga vlogs kasi ayoko nang parang paunti-unti ko pinapakita. Gusto ko parang isang bagsakan. So, it's also reserved for a different video. Anyway, I think I'm gonna share with you guys why I stopped uploading videos for a while. Mentally, I feel well. Ang dami sa inyo nagtatanong kung kamusta yung aking mental health and I really appreciate that. And okay naman ako. The past few months lang or the past few weeks, hindi ko talaga ma-feel mag-vlog. Talaga kinailangan ko yung break na yon so I can do some self-reflecting kung ano bang klaseng content ba talaga yung gusto ko. Kasi feel ko nalolost ako. Siguro gusto ko lang i-make sure sa sarili ko na yung mga finifilm ko or yung mga balak kong i-film, ako talaga yon. Basta I did a lot of self-reflecting the past few weeks and ngayon, masasabi ko na I am wiser with, for example, with the things that I buy. Kasi meron ding time na parang feel ko ang dami kong pinagbibili na hindi ko naman kailangan. So, ayun, medyo nairita ako sa sarili ko. Kaya, ayun, yun din yung dahilan kung ba't ako nag-break. Masasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na ngayon, I am wiser and alam ko talaga kung ano yung goals ko. Ayun, may mga bagay ako na minamanifest na hopefully by this month or by this year, makuha ko na to. And ayoko nang madaliin yung sarili ko. So, yun yung nakamit ko sa pag-take ng break. Parang I'm more patient now. I know my goals, pero I don't want to beat myself up just to reach that certain goal in this parang certain time frame. Anyway, feel ko, ang dal-dal ko na naman. So, ayun, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed and I'm sorry if medyo boring to, pero ganito talaga ang ating realidad. Ayun, as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you all